Generative AI is rapidly gaining traction across engineering, operations, and maintenance teams because it offers a simpler way to interact with industrial information. Instead of relying on rigid search forms or custom reports, teams can use plain language to explore work order history, search for anomalies, and make sense of unstructured content that was previously difficult to analyze at scale. However, while generative AI can summarize large datasets and explain what it finds in a way people can absorb quickly, it does not change how work gets executed inside a plant. Agentic AI addresses this by introducing decision logic, orchestration, and accountability so insight can move into governed action. Chapter 1 of our Agentic AI in Industry series introduced Agentic AI and the readiness gaps that limit adoption. This chapter explains how generative AI and agentic AI work together to move from insight generation to governed execution. Generative AI strengthens interpretation and communication, while agentic AI enables execution through goal ownership and controlled action. ReVisionz helps organizations build the foundations that allow this transition to happen safely and effectively by strengthening asset information, establishing governance, and aligning AI use with how work is executed in the field. With that foundation in place, generative AI and agentic AI can move past explanation and support real operational execution. The rise of generative AI in industrial work. Generative AI adoption has accelerated because it is accessible. Compared to earlier AI approaches, teams don't need deep technical expertise to gain value, just human interface. Generative AI is being used to interpret unstructured information that traditionally needed to be highly structured, search across data using natural language, such as asking for anomalies without building complex algorithms, act as a reference tool that helps people find and connect information more quickly, surface insights that were difficult to identify through traditional reporting. It's also beginning to support a wide range of industrial problem areas like reviewing work order histories or supporting predictive analytics in conjunction with data science models. The value comes from reducing friction between a question and a usable response. Another important shift is perspective. When multiple systems or sources are connected, generative AI allows teams to evaluate information at a system or plant level rather than one asset at a time. This broader view matters because many operational issues don't exist in isolation. Understanding generative AI and its limits. Generative AI works best as an interpretation and communication layer. It responds to plain language and produces meaningful outputs from relatively little input. Also, it can generate and analyze both text and images, which is why multimodal capability matters in industrial environments where information is not limited to structured data fields. What generative AI does well. Generative AI is effective when it is used to interpret unstructured narratives and free text inputs, summarize long histories or complex information, explain findings in a way that supports faster understanding, help teams see patterns across connected systems. These capabilities make industrial information easier to work with and expand who can engage with it. What generative AI doesn't do well. There are several reasons why generative AI struggles to deliver execution outcomes on its own. Insight without process does not lead to action. Without defined workflows, governance, and people change, insights remain informational. It will often produce an answer whether it is right or wrong, which introduces risk through hallucinations and unvetted outputs. It generates answers, not action. Someone still has to decide what happens next and carry it through operational systems. These constraints explain why generative AI excels at interpretation and explanation, but cannot reliably own goals, decisions, or workflows in complex facilities. Agentic AI as the execution layer. Agentic AI is designed to plan, make decisions within defined limits, and orchestrate actions. Instead of responding to open-ended questions, agents are assigned specific responsibilities, similar to how work is assigned to people in an organization. Why agentic AI fits. Industrial execution. Agentic. AI is better suited to execution because it is structured around tasks and goal ownership. Agents are specific to defined responsibilities rather than broad queries. Problems can be broken down into multiple agents instead of relying on one system to do everything. Agent hierarchies allow managing agents to coordinate worker agents, reflecting how industrial work actually flows. This structure supports orchestration across detection, decision-making, escalation, and documentation, which aligns more closely with real operational workflows. Feedback and learning in context. A key advantage of agentic AI is its ability to build feedback into workflows. For example, if an AI predicts a pump will fail in 1 week, but it actually lasts 2 weeks, a feedback agent can capture the real outcome and feed it back into the system. This allows future recommendations to reflect operational reality more closely. Additionally, this approach reduces reliance on manual retraining and keeps improvement tied to what actually happens in the field. Goal ownership and boundaries. Goal ownership changes what AI can safely and reliably do in industrial environments. High-level goals may sound appealing, but they are too vague to support trustworthy execution. Broad questions leave too much room for interpretation and increase the risk of inconsistent results. When goals are specific, the behavior of the system becomes easier to control and easier to trust. Inputs can be deliberately scoped to the data and standards that actually influence the outcome, otherwise known as RAG, or Retrieval Augmented Generation. Outputs remain confined to a clear decision domain rather than drifting into general guidance. Hallucination risk is reduced because the AI is not forced to reason across unrelated contexts. Results become more reliable because the task is bounded and repeatable. More granular goals lead to more reliable outcomes. This discipline also explains why separating generative AI from agentic AI is essential. Generative AI supports synthesis and communication, while agentic AI operates within defined boundaries to plan and execute work tied to those goals. Human-in-the-loop governance. Even agentic systems are not perfect. They learn over time, but their outputs still require verification. Complex industrial decisions often involve subjectivity and context that cannot be fully captured in data. Certain decisions should always remain under human authority, including those without a historical track record, requiring creativity, judgment, or subjective interpretation. Based on tacit knowledge that is not digitally available, that cannot be supported by a reliable asset data foundation, that require verification and accountability. Governance ensures that execution remains safe, auditable, and aligned with operational and regulatory expectations. How ReVisionz guides the transition. ReVisionz helps organizations define where AI should inform decisions versus where it should execute actions by grounding adoption in maturity, risk, and value. Some activities can be fully automated, while others require human involvement based on safety, data readiness, and regulatory exposure. We also focus AI adoption on direct value drivers such as production performance, cost reduction, and compliance outcomes. This prevents organizations from pursuing AI initiatives that generate interest but fail to deliver operational results. A responsible transition requires a roadmap. ReVisionz helps clients understand their problems first, then applies AI to pain points that matter, at a pace that aligns with readiness and governance. Moving toward governed execution. Industrial organizations are no longer struggling to generate insight. The real challenge now is converting that insight into action that is consistent and aligned with how work is performed on the floor. Agentic AI enables that shift by taking responsibility for defined tasks and decisions within clear boundaries. When supported by strong data foundations and governance, Agents can coordinate actions across systems and close the loop between prediction and execution in a way traditional AI approaches cannot. ReVisionz helps organizations establish the structure required for this transition. By aligning data, governance, and operational workflows, we create the conditions where agentic AI can be applied with confidence and control. If you're ready to move beyond experimentation and put agentic AI to work, contact ReVisionz to begin your journey with a trusted partner.